Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys how I decorated the lantern. So first, you're just going to take a regular lantern and you're going to take a regular piece of tissue paper. It doesn't have to be perfect. Mine is all wrinkled up because I decided to record the tutorial after the party, after we did the decorations. I got the idea. So take your tissue paper and I'm just stuffing it into the lantern just to give it that color. So once you're done with that, you're going to take your streamers. So I have some streamers, they're already wrinkled, don't worry about them being all neat, and a piece of iridescent ribbon. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your streamer and you're going to run it through this metal piece right here. So right here. And then just put it through there, and then after we're just going to scrunch it to make it look more like tentacles. I believe we use like 3 to 4 pieces of streamer for each lantern. Next, you're going to take your LED lights, and what you're going to do is you're going to hook the lights onto the lantern. The lanterns did come with their own lights, but I decided to use the LED lights because they're a lot brighter and they're cool tone instead of warm tone. So that is the finished product. That is how we made our jellyfish lanterns. If you guys really like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!